Hello guys, namaste, Perev, Ndiepi, Sanmonani. Anyway, we have Lenovo. Alright, let me show you. This is a Lenovo, guys. This type of Lenovos. The model number is Lenovo G50. Let me show you what exactly we are dealing with today. So when you press the power button, just watch this. It turns on. You can see a Lenovo there, and then it shows this. Just observe, and then it goes off, comes back and repeat the same thing again, shows you those words, and then it goes off again. So it keep on looping. You can't do a thing. You can reach a stage where it's normally stable, and then it tells you to insert a proper boot device. It doesn't reach the stage. It's keep on boot looping one way, on and off, on and off, on and off, on and off, one way. So the issue here is the BIOS. The BIOS is the one that needs to be programmed or to be flashed. So we need to program what? The BIOS chip. Let's go ahead. I'll show you everything step by step. I was turning off the DC bench power supply. Switch off the machine by holding down the power button. The machine is off. Anyway, we have a nice screwdriver set. Soon I'll be selling this, which you can see. And this is a lovely set. I'm just waiting for my site to be alive, then we'll start selling this. These are very nice. In case you are around Africa or South Africa, you can buy this. I'll be selling this. So I'm just waiting for my website to be alive, and then I'll be selling this one way. And again, you can use my number, WhatsApp me. I will show you soon. I will be showing everyone my number where they can contact me, write me emails. You can place your orders and all those things. But you are just waiting for a website to be alive. Once my friend from UK finish the website, I will show it to you guys. Anyway, not only I want to sell the screwdrivers, I want to sell the entire thing, like almost like everything. I want to sell, guys, everything. Believe me, I want to sell everything, even the ICs, because I've seen that a lot of people are struggling with the chips, with the ICs, including I myself. I've been struggling with ICs. So I want to make sure that everyone around Africa can buy the IC from JPV Components. JPV Components with an S. So we are just waiting for the stock, and same time we are just waiting for a guy, my friend from UK, to finish the website. And then you can go online and buy all my components, ICs. You can buy almost anything from the website. All right, so I know for sure that, guys, you will buy, you will support. And I use this to program the BIOS, and it doesn't give me any issues at all. I'm selling this as well. I need to place my orders tonight, plenty of them. No need to wait to be scared of whatever, because they will be sold by me, by your trusted guy, JPV. You will get everything on JPV Components. So guys, please feel free to place your orders. Tell me what you need on the comments. You can leave your cell phone number right there, or your WhatsApp number. In fact, just leave your WhatsApp number below. I'll be able to contact you via WhatsApp, or otherwise you can send me WhatsApp messages. I'll be receiving WhatsApp messages, guys. Please feel free to send me text messages via WhatsApp. I'll be responding, chatting with you guys. You just tell me what you want, place your orders online. If you're around Africa, around South Africa, from now on you won't suffer. You will have everything in place, all the way from Zimbabwe, Mozambique, all over, guys. Please don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. You can start placing your orders. Feel free. The website will be JPV Components. I'm just waiting for my friend to finish the entire thing. Okay. And use this lovely screwdrivers, the one that I use. So easy, so nice, so easy to hang. I love these guys. I won't lie to you. These are quality screwdrivers, and they're cheap. They'll be very affordable. So we need to program the BIOS. Where's the BIOS here? This is the BIOS. So what you do, you take your heat gun. Okay, one thing that I love about these programmers, these adapters, is that you don't have to solder a chip. You just have to push this down, and then you clip your chip there on top. Hold it down like this. Push your chip down there. While the entire thing is down, then you release. Then the chip is now clipped. Then you connect this into your working laptop or computer. So now what we do, you go to your desktop, you run the programmer. Let's go ahead. Okay, never mind that lady there on the background. Please, never mind that nice lady there. You click that 3.3, you say select, and now you have to read the chip. I repeat again, we have to read the chip. Okay, while I'm reading the chip, let's go on my stuff. I want to be sure that I do have BIOS, a working BIOS for this board. So you use the board number. Let's search. So the port number for this it's AC LU3. Wait, is this the one? A362. There it is. And then I'm gonna drag this into a desktop. Right. Oh yeah, boy. Let's wait for this to finish. Okay, it's done. So you need to have a backup. So you say save file. Saving the file. Go to your desktop. And then we save this as Steve MacBook. I saved him as a Steve MacBook. Backup. Save. And then you erase the chip. Erase the chip. Right now, let's read one more time. All right, now it's done. So you load, go here. This is the working file. Now let's load the file. It's done, and then you say write. So let's write. All right, guys, it's done. So now let's remove the chip and then put it back on the laptop. You repeat the same thing, hold down, and then you pull up the chip. Guys, it's easy. No need to solder anything on this adapter. I love this. Okay, now I was lost. I didn't know where to put the chip. Okay, this is where you're gonna find the BIOS. This is the BIOS. Next to a network card on these machines. Alright, guys. In case you don't have the programmer, believe me, I can assist you. We can program the chip for you and send the chip no matter where you are all over Africa. We do sell pre-programmed chip. You just tell us your laptop model number or the board number, and then from there we'll be able to sell you a pre-programmed BIOS. That's one of our options, one of our services that we're gonna offer on our online store. We will make sure that we do sell people pre-programmed BIOS. I'm just waiting for some few things, then we'll start selling people pre-programmed BIOS according to your laptop. Let's put back everything. That is what. Alright, let's see the moment of truth. Because I've talked and talked and talked and even promised people to give them pre-programmed BIOS. Let's see if this is working, if this is turning on, or it's just a lie. It's turning on, but there is nothing on the screen. Oh, okay. There we go. It says Windows put manager put failed. Meaning it's working on. It was supposed to be doing this right from the beginning, not what we were getting from the screen. That was a BIOS error, but it's now working 100%. All right. It's no longer putting looping. I mean, anyway, guys, I love you so much. This is it. Bye bye, and take care.